So it looks like there is a Georgia attorney and former Atlanta police officer that's going to be sentenced for about 7 years, okay, in federal prison for a PPP loan, okay, and some fraud. It's given $15 million. So let's get into this justice.gov article here, this little piece where they're saying that a Georgia attorney and her former city of Atlanta police officer was sentenced today. Well, really, it was June 7th, okay, to 7 years and 3 months in prison for conspiring to defraud the PPP of about $15 million. Girl, they said that lady went, and I'm going to show y'all her picture in a minute, but girl, why they said the lady went and got a pink Rolls Royce? See, this is where the people that went and tapped into the PPP loan, y'all was trying to floss during the wrong times of the pandemic and stuff too, trying to run amok and thinking y'all wasn't gonna get caught up. Maybe when y'all filed for the loan and got all that money, somebody had y'all thinking that y'all weren't gonna get caught up. And then Biden hit y'all with that Uno reverse and said we're gonna do this investigation. And guess what? We got 10 years to do an investigation on this PPP loan fraud. And yeah, we on y'all head tops. Like, you can't get that much money and then want to show off. You don't think some of y'all, because everybody swear they got haters, right? So you don't think some of your haters are going to be trying to investigate, like, dang, where she get all that money from? Where she this and that? How she go do and what that was? Okay, you don't think they was gonna snitch you out? And BITCH, you're an attorney. And your counterpart, whoever this other person is, was a police officer. First of all, ma'am, you know ATL police ain't paying you like that for you to be out here trying to flex. Okay, whatever you out there trying, you ain't gonna be able to do that. Not on that salary. And even you, Miss Piece of Attorney, you might have a little coin, but not no coin like that. They said, according to the court documents and evidence presented at trial, Shalitha Robertson, who's 62 years of age, conspired with Chandra Norton. And let me tell y'all something about Chandra Norton. Baby, when I tell you, they done tried to wipe this lady face up off the internet. I see a little smidget of her face, but I don't know what she fully looks like. I said, baby, she must have filed something. She must have filed something with Google saying, wipe my face up off all of this stuff. Y'all better seal whatever records y'all could possibly seal of me. I don't want my face out there, because once I get out, I might be trying to get me a piece of a job of some sort or whatever. And I don't need the people to know who and what the hell I look like. I don't know. But it's been a struggle, okay, to find her. But let's keep going. So they're saying that yeah, so they submitted fraudulent PPP loan applications on behalf of businesses that Robertson and Norton each own. The fraudulent loan application falsely inflated the number of employees and average monthly payroll for each of the applicant businesses and included false supporting tax. Ma'ams, you don't play. You play with a lot of folks, but you do not play with your taxes. And you mean to tell me that you both of y'all sat up there and submitted false tax documents? Girl, I could have told you right there, y'all are going to jail. You're going to jail right there. You were going to jail. You was going to do some time for that. Okay, including larger PPP loans than Robertson or Norton could legitimately obtain. Y'all sat up there and lied to get those larger loans, or at least y'all inducing larger PPP loans. Okay, so y'all didn't even have the staff that y'all was sitting up there lying about. I believe they said Robertson said she had like 400 and something staff or whatever it was. She said something like that. It's like, girl, you are out your mind. Robertson, and you ain't got that many social security numbers, ma'am. You out here acting like you a corporation. Oh, no. Okay. Robertson, and Norton submitted fraudulent applications on behalf of four businesses. Robertson owned. They said that it was resulting in $7 million in PPP loans. Robertson then used the loan proceeds for her personal benefit, including purchasing luxury items such as a 10-carat diamond ring and transferring funds to family members and to Norton. Let me tell you something. If you was gonna take that much money, ma'am, you should have got the fuck up out of the United States. Okay. If you was gonna take that much money from the United States, you should have bought your ass a new identity. You should have went to what's that department they call when you want to become you should have went to the Office of Citizenship down to Jamaica or Cuba, or somewhere where you cannot be extradited back to America for stealing these people money. And I'm not trying to tell nobody how to commit a crime. Okay, I'm not trying to tell y'all, but I'm just saying, like, if you're gonna take that much money, you should at least spend a good amount. Okay, to get the hell up out of the United States, go live somewhere else, and get your ass on facial plastic surgery. Get some facial surgery so you don't look like yourself. You hear what I say? I would have had a whole new damn name and everything, girl. Do you hear me? Girl, I would have tried to get new damn fingerprints too. Period. Girl, you done set yourself up, honey. They said a federal jury convicted Robertson in December of 2023 on 1 count of conspiracy to commit wire fraud, 3 counts of wire fraud, and 1 count of money laundering. Norton pled guilty in November of 2020 and is scheduled to be sentenced in August on August 14th. So that may be why we haven't seen her. But let me tell y'all something. I don't know if she's going to be sentenced 7 years for sure. Miss Norton, she might get less because she could have possibly flipped on Robertson and started telling the tea on Robertson. Robertson must have brought it to Norton possibly and was like, hey, let me put you on. Let me show you what to do. Boot the boot, boost that killer, whatever else she was going to tell the lady. Okay, so maybe that's what happened. Maybe she put her up on game and then Miss Girl is going to be sentenced later. So we'll see.
Problems, at least for former Atlanta City Attorney and Democrat Shalitha Robertson. Now, she was just sentenced to 7 years behind bars after being found guilty for pandemic loan fraud over $15 million worth.
Fox News really killed me, high-key, because why does it matter that she's a Democrat? They talking some Atlanta Democrat sentenced to 7 years. Like, I don't think that matters, but go ahead.
Robertson gave out this advice in 2023.
Goes back to what I've always told you. Don't ever chase the money.
Mm-hmm.
The money will come.
Chase the universe, not the bag.
That's it. Chase your passion, baby. Chase your dream. The money will come.
Yeah, the money will come courtesy of the American.
Girl, ma'am, bitch, not you done sat up here and said, don't ever chase the money will come. And you was right, because it was gonna come. But girl, you said what? When did she do this interview? In 2023. When that lady said she did this interview? Because girl, what?
Goes back to what I've always told you.
$15 million worth. Robertson gave out this advice in 2023.
I need to know what month, because I feel like that you was giving out this advice when you knew that your ex was sentenced or was finna be sentenced or whatever it was. You knew they was on to your ass when you put this out there, because they said you was sentenced. No, I'm sorry, you was charged in December of 2023. And you sitting out here trying to give people advice, talk about chase your passion. So your passion was to get over on America. That was your passion. Your passion was to finesse the people. And y'all be killing me. And now I got some time. Let's talk. Because I feel away. I ain't going to say a whole lot, but I'm going to say this. I cannot stand scammers that love to give all of this advice on how to handle business and this and that, and trying to encourage folks want to be public speakers and all of this and being success story. You hoes is scammers. Y'all be killing me softly, wanting to step in that arena. And you know what one of the biggest scams was before 2020 hit, when they used to always have these damn brunches. Hey, Letitia, how are you? What's that lady name over there on Bell Collective? Always want to have brunches and stuff. Sit up there with people for about an hour or two, trying to act like you encouraging them. And then the folks pay $300 to go and be encouraged for an hour or two, knowing goddamn well by the end of that week, they ain't going to be on none of this shit them people was talking about. Okay, y'all only be in there for a moment to get fed just a little piece, just a little taste of encouragement. They can't fully motivate you. You're going to have to get up off your ass if it's something that you're trying to do. whatever it is, okay? You're gonna have to get over that hump, whatever you're afraid of, whatever you're trying to do. Can't nobody move nothing for you but you. You can sit on this all you want to while somebody else fulfill some of the ideas in your own head. Okay, you can sit on there if you want to while other folks is taking your ideas, going on doing other with it and surpassing you if you want to, or you're gonna get up and you're gonna fail trying until you keep trying and trying until you finally hit that bitch. Okay, everybody ain't got perseverance, but that's what it's gonna need. Okay, but anyway, y'all pay all these $300, $400, $500 you want to sit up there and listen to these motherfuckers when all you need is $300 or $400, $500 to start your own shit. Hello, ain't nothing to it but to do it. Girl, I cannot. But let's keep going because this is the mess here.
Goes back to what I've always told you. Don't ever chase the money. The money will come.
Chase the universe, not the bag.
That's it. Chase your passion.
Girl, the
baby.
police
Chase
was
your
chasing her the
dream.
whole damn
The
time.
money
Good
will
night.
come.
Yeah, the money will come courtesy of the American taxpayers. Because safe to say, she didn't practice what she preached. In April and May of 2020, Robertson chose to follow the money and fraudulently applied for millions of dollars in government loans for 4 businesses that she owned. And then she hooked herself up with luxury items that came with a very steep price tag, such as a swanky Rolls Royce, a 10-carat diamond ring. And Georgia filings show that she donated $1,000 to Trump prosecutor Fani Willis's Democratic.
That's all that money she had. She only gave $1,000.
That donation went through around the same time that Robertson received her massive payouts from the Paycheck Protection Program. Parents, you can't make this up.
No, I mean, when you hear about,
I'm not gonna listen to further of this, but I see what y'all did there, Fox, because y'all messy as hell. That lady gave a donation of $1,000, and y'all made the assumption and tried to connect the two back to the fact that she received money around the same time. So basically, you can't confirm that the $1,000 that she donated to Fani Willis actually came from that PPP loan. But I see how y'all tried to connect her to it because she's taking your good old boy down through there, okay, or at least trying to, okay. Girl, I see what y'all did there, you little heifers. But Miss Ma'am, you brought this out, or you brought this on yourself, Mr. Girl, Mr. Lady. And we don't know what to tell you, girl, but good luck. Okay. Girl, I hope them 7 years go by quick. And let me tell you, it's a possibility. Okay, because ever since the pandemic, the years have been going like shoo. And girl, we are already halfway through 2024. We're about to hit 2025. You know what I'm saying? So them 7 years might go by quick, and they might let you out. I don't know what you had requested or put in your documentation when you was getting ready to sign off on it or whatever like that, girl. But hopefully you requested early release. If you out there on some good behavior or something like that, maybe if you put that in paperwork, they might grant it to you. I don't know, girl. But like I said, either way, good luck, honey. I hate that for the people.